Hello, I am Nihalgal and currently I am pursuing my Bachelor Technology course in Graphics in a University at Hill Campus in Dehradun. I am from Patna, Bihar. So, coming to the point, who is politician? A politician is a person who is responsible for making law which results in governing a piece of land. Okay, so we have all have heard a famous quote that is, honesty is the best policy, quoted by Benjamin Franklin, who himself a politician. In our society, it is believed that all politicians are corrupt, which is according to me is wrong. It is not true for all. Some are corrupt, some are honest too. So, it's depend upon the individual from which political party they belong or from which area they are coming from. India has been seeing many political leaders who have done corruption in the past. But we have also seen many political leaders who does not but there are exceptions too. For example, Lal, I recall the name of Lal Bahadur Shastri. Remember a person who takes a loan of rupees 5,000 in 1964 to buy a car for his own, who remains a cabinet minister for many years and then he become a prime minister of the nation. He is the one of the best example for the honest person in the political arena. In democracy, opposition parties are supposed to do check on the ruling government work. But sometimes it results in the false allegation put on the ruling party, which is wrong, but dialogue is the main important part of the democracy. In democracy, people choose their representative. They cast their vote to select their leaders. People should also understand that they should vote not on the basis of caste, creed, or religion or taken any bribe from the political party's leader, but with honesty because the political leaders they chosen are responsible for the public administration of the nation. Reforms in education sector, health sector, infrastructure, road construction and etc. are the major ones that a politician can do in his tenure. Rural development is one of the major sector, major work that a politician can do. It is one of the main concern of the nation since our birth as a nation. For example, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan was the motto first brought by our ex-Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri, which is then resulting a green revolution in India that now we can see the condition of our farmers in Punjab and Haryana that how they are rich and prosperous because its effect the most because the most of because it mostly affect the Punjab and Haryana's farmers. In present scenario, people from different walks of life support different political parties according to their ideology, and they start hating another political party's leader which they do not align with their own political agenda or ideology. This should not be the case. People should question their political leaders, especially their elected representative and ruling government, which results in the accountability of the leader towards the people and the nation, which results in a healthier democracy and which is good for all. Thank you.